Introducing latest in technology turnkey rice mill setup solutions by Sona Machinery. Sona Machinery was established in 1995 and has a legacy of over 27 plus years in manufacturing agri-machinery equipments and accessories. Served over 10,000 plus customers in India and over 16 plus countries globally. Welcome to a tour inside a modern rice mill. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the intricate process of turning raw paddy into the high-quality rice. Once inside the mill, the paddy goes through different processes like pre-cleaning, cleaning, milling, grading and packing before the rice is ready for market distribution. Pre-cleaning involves removing any debris, stones, and impurities using a series of machines such as pre-cleaners, stone separators and aspirators. Sona Machinery's cleaning machine products ensure the complete removal of any large and small impurities while enhancing the yield that you receive. Moving on to the heart of the rice mill, the milling section. The milling process involves removing the outer husk of grain, whitening of rice and polishing to achieve the quality rice. This is the husking machine, also known as the huller. It efficiently removes the husk, revealing the brown rice underneath. Sona Machinery's husker and husk aspirator ensure very high degree of shelling while ensuring less broken output and precision husk separation while keeping surroundings clean. Rice and paddy separation process is eased by an automatic operation of machines and giving an optimum output. The brown rice is further whitened in the whitener to remove the bran layer, resulting in white rice. This process is called rice whitening or polishing. Rice whitener plays the important role to produce high-quality rice. Commitment of less broken and higher yield. Polishing is one of the essential processes for achieving the polished rice, glossy appearance and improving the quality of whitened rice. Commitment of less broken, better appearance and higher yield. Sorting and grading. Rice sorting and grading is a vital step in the rice milling process that ensures consistent quality and uniformity of the final product, where precision and meticulousness play a crucial role in delivering high-quality rice. Finest quality of grading. It involves the careful examination and classification of rice grains based on various criteria. High-tech machinery is used to sort and grade the rice based on size, shape, and quality. While machines also play a crucial role in ensuring the final product meets the highest standards. It meticulously inspects the rice, removing any remaining impurities or dust-colored grains.